when you got the role of the genie, did you know this was happening? Did you go after it?
The first thing, so they called and they said, hey, we want you to play the genie. We're doing a live-action version of Alladin. And I was like, nah, man. So at first I looked at it. Ellen, have some water. Have some, have some
Ellen!
Ellen, and Ellen, she is such a good host.
Yeah.
So she's over in... I'm looking at her, and she's looking, and she's trying to listen to the story. She's like...
Well, we... That could have been edited out, and now, now you've made it entertaining, so it's staying.